Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's Faithfully Blessed here, and I'm in my car once again headed to work. But I do want to come and talk about unexpected blessings. So unexpected blessings is, or an unexpected blessing is a blessing that you don't see coming. And what do you do? And now this question, I am still pondering, I am still wondering. I am like, God, what am I supposed to do? So I'm gonna be honest about a situation that has happened to me for the past 5-6 days. I haven't talked to God. I just been trying to wrap my head around this situation. But for the most part, I can definitely talk about unexpected blessings. So even though we're not ready for something that happens in our life, it still could possibly be a blessing. It's a drastic change. It could be. And it's like, well, where do I go from here? Like, how is life going to be different? How is this going to work? How is that going to work? And so that unexpected blessing could be a job. It could be, a place. It could be a car. It could be anything. Like, how am I going to pay for this? How am I going to be able to adapt to this new lifestyle of taking care of this? It could be a child. Whatever it could be in your life in this season, how do you handle it? How do you combat it? So the first thing that I would say initially, even though I have not myself talked to God, I feel as though you should go and talk to God. You should go and seek God for all things. I don't care how bad it may look. God still has the plan, and He still knows what you need, and He still can take care of you, because if He gave it to you, God will take care of you, no matter what. And so with me, I feel as though life has happened, and I am dealing with it. I am dealing with life as a whole. I am dealing with life as a whole. I am dealing with a new beginning. I just finished college in May, and I find out we're not having a ceremony. So therefore, now it's just all about whether I want to work, go into my field, or, if I want to do other things in life. And so right now, I have been going through a situation where I have an unexpected blessing. I've been going through a situation where I have an unexpected blessing, and with that unexpected blessing, I'm in a crossroads. Like, God, what do I need to do? What do I do? And I would definitely say, like I said, talk to God, seek counsel. Seek counsel from your friends, your family, to talk to them about what's going on in this season. Are you ready for this season? Are you ready to walk in this season? Have you acknowledged the fact that, there's a new change? And I feel like I have acknowledged the fact that there's a new change, but I have not all the way gave myself up 100% within that change. Like, I have not just said, okay, I'm taking this on. I just haven't done that yet according to the plan that I am telling you all. But that's what I would do. I would seek God first, seek counsel between family and friends, and I would definitely try it out. Even if it is something permanent, I will definitely go through with it and just see how life goes. Even though we could be bogged down, we could be worried. At the end of the day, I feel like God will give you that comfort no matter what you're going through. And I feel like in this season, I needed to make this video, not only for myself to look back and watch and see how much I've progressed, but to help somebody else who is like me, feeling that, anxiety towards something new, or feeling as if your life is going to take a drastic turn, a drastic change, because we don't know the future. We don't know the inevitable. We don't know, the sudden drastic change until we are placed in that situation. And so I just want to come with this video. If you are, or if you do have an unexpected blessing, if it's a new job, if it is a marriage, if it is children, if it is college life, if it is a new place, whatever it is, comment down below your unexpected blessing and how you handle it. Because not only is this video an invitation for us to discuss unexpected blessings, but it also is a chat for us to talk about, and to us to express how we feel during our unexpected blessing days, or you know, something that is unexpected in our lives that could possibly be a blessing. So I thank you all for watching this video. It's Faithfully Blessed, and I will see you in another video, because I do have one other one coming up. It will not be uploaded today, but this one will. So I thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and forever stay blessed. Thank y'all. Bye-bye.